Okay. Good morning, and my name is Robinson Igad. I am a business integrator and a project manager. So, as a business integrator, I specialize in implementing business operating system like scaling up, EOS, BMOS, and 5S or others. And talking about business operating system, I usually implement them in a project management platform like ClickUp, Asana, 90.io, or Monday.com. So when I'm implementing them, I make sure that I follow the business components. So from the vision and leadership, revenue strategy, and process and standardization systems, and setting up and facilitating meeting as well. So for me to create a system inside the Asana or ClickUp, I make sure that I understand first the business model of the client that I am working. I try to create the overall process diagram in order for me to have like an start to end idea of what the business is doing, and we could properly set up the operating system plus the business processes into the platform that we preferred. So on your case, you are mentioning that you prefer to use Asana. So once we have implemented the operating system, the foundational framework of the business, it will be easier for me as a project manager to help carry over some operational tasks, project management tasks, and help you and your clients as well to deliver an exceptional result or output. So with my expertise in Asana, in the operating system, I believe that I could create an impact to you and to your clients and to your team members as well. So, and of course, as a project manager, one of the help that I could make sure to reinforce is to put accountability to your team members, to your clients, and to the leadership itself. So when you're mentioning about accountability, this is not just about the schedules or the hitting the target dates or something, but it is about making sure that we are aligned with the results that we want to achieve in every rocks, scorecards, deliverables that we assign to the team members and even to the managers or management team. So for me to be effective in making sure that they are accountable of that one, I of course implement the project management principles from creating a project charter or impact filter, making sure that we understand what are the critical path and the important deliverables, and understand the bigger vision of the company. That's why I've mentioned earlier in my first part of this video is for me to for me to effectively work with the client is I map out the start to end business process of the company. So I do have an idea about the company goals, about what we want to achieve, the long term and the short term vision, and from there I could share more of my expertise. So, and in order for me, that I think you have here in the in the job post that you're the third question is how I could spot like a project issue or even company issues. The best part of that one is to continuously have the meeting rhythms, or in an operating system like EOS, they call that one Alton meeting. So in this way, we could identify what if there are problems that happening both from the scorecards or the KPIs that we're tracking every week, if we are on track or off track for our projects, and even with the company team if there are issues list. So my best practice there prior to the Alton meeting is that I send out a reminder. I join the project meetings or the rocks meetings. I observe and make sure that we are on the right track. If there is some anomalies or some variances or something like that, I drop that in the issues list so I could raise that in the leadership or the departmental level, and from there I follow the IDS framework, identify the root cause, discuss possible solutions, and then come up with a deliverable that could be done in the next 7 days. Okay, so that's almost 5 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Hope that you will see this one as a potential, me as a potential business integrator and a project manager of your business. Looking forward to work with you. Have a great day.